to get a little bit hold on. Right.
What's the situation?
Yeah, there's a part that I would like to reach, but let me see. Welcome to Create Your Own Paradise. We are a world schooling family of 4. Here in this beautiful community called Malama in Portugal, we just finished creating the first part of our little paradise. Hello everyone, welcome to this new episode. Last week you've seen the whole building part and how exhausted we were. I'm tired. And now we can...
But you also saw how happy we were with this new deck.
And we can full on enjoy it. The kids are playing all day long. We're just starting the day lying on the wood. And I'm sleeping now since yesterday out here because it's just so energizing and it's only not cold and just refreshing. Although,
minor details.
Although now we get to the point because now that we have it for several days already. And we also find some problems.
Irregularities.
Like the builder said, the wood is not really straight. It's natural, so there can be some...
What's the problem? What's the problem? Tell us.
So, as you see me making the foundation, and we now figured out by walking down the aisle that it somehow makes...
Ooh, it moves.
A movement, and this is not good.
It also just maybe it functions as one big plank, and when it's not totally level, you know, this side will be lifted up by the rest.
Feeling a little bit that this side is maybe tiny bit lower than this one, and that now the planks that got screwed to the big beams, that they lift up this part, and so they're not resting on the stones anymore.
Yeah, let's have a look from underneath.
Here you can see that the beam is resting on the first stone with the help of a little plank. And then it's a little bit difficult. And then you already see the second one, which is super high in the air. This is not good. And now Jasper is jumping. Jump! And it's full on in the air. And this is like
almost 2 centimeters.
Really not good.
So what can we do? 2 solutions. We could unscrew some planks here to try and get some fillers under the wood. Not a great solution because if you screw twice into the wood gets more open, and it's just better one time, one screw and it's done. So we thought maybe we can use some cane and try to get underneath there. And then put this little filler in, and then nobody would ever notice. Started also great today. Beautiful deck. We were just chilling for the first time in 3 months, really enjoying this whole achievement. And but not for long because this really needs to be fixed. So let's get on it. So I just put on a little bit of iron wire so I can lift the whole deck a tiny bit, so it would be easier to fit under the spacers. What's the situation there?
I can't reach it.
Huh?
I can't reach it. Except with this down.
Yeah, I see you. All right. Wait, a little bit further. Okay. Got it? Yes.
I'm on it.
Yeah? Maybe down a little bit. Okay, what are we learning? What's the situation down there?
Always double check.
Yeah, I see the cane here. Tell me when to lift.
Lift it?
Yeah. Okay, push it. Yes, feels better. Feels better. Yes, yes. This one.
Nothing on it anymore.
Okay. One down. 6 more to go. It's good, eh?
Wow.
It's sometimes it's easy. It's not that much anymore. What's the situation?
Yeah, there's a part that I would like to reach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
Yes, it worked, eh?
Who would have believed that we could do
They
this?
were just effed, but we're not effed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that? Yes. We just love this deck. Yes.
So this was the one, I think, at 3:04, 3:30.
Yes.
This last line. Okay, let's see if it worked. Yeah, we're honest, you know. If some things don't work out the way we want, then we also show it. So, all right. Well, let's put it to the test.
Yes.
Jump, jump. Oh yeah, there's still some movement.
Yeah. Okay, but it is a movement. It is wood, and it is not concrete. Terrace.
Okay, happy ending.
I'm happy. That's great. And now we can enjoy more. It's Sunday.